Hey everybody, it's Ricky Crowder here with Elite Core at beautiful Las Vegas at InfoComm 2026. I got a quick product I want to show you just really briefly. You've probably seen our CAT-SASS units. This is our old version. You know, this is a, you plug in a shielded CAT cable and you got 4 channels of audio or 4 channels of DMX. But this is the old version. We don't need that one. Come check the new version out. Their new version is not made with a large metal box. A lot of guys we found have this in their Pelican cases, have this in their backpacks. This is about the third the weight, and it actually has a really cool new patent pending design I want to show you. With just 2 screws, you can take off this EtherCon pass-through connector. CJ, show us, and with just a couple screws, you could pop it into a rack panel. Could be in a wall plate, a floor pocket. Just take your pass-through out, plug it through the hole, plug it in like that. And then just 2 screws, pop that in, zippity-doo-dah, and you're off to the races with a rack-mounted CAT-SASS unit. So anyway, that's been a really neat feature for us. Like I mentioned, that's a new patent-pending design on our behalf. We can also label, all of our units now with your logo as well. Shout out to our friends at Concept Pixels. So that's just one new product that we're displaying here at InfoComm 2026. If you want to learn more about this or want to, I don't know, waste my time, talk to us a bunch, it'll be great. Let us know. Our email address or our website is elitecore.com, and our phone number is 855-276-2673. We'd love to talk to you and about this product and everything else we do here at Elite Core. Thanks.